Hello. Today I'm going to talk about wellness best practices according to me, from what I have learned in my practice. See, I was asked, what can I do on a daily basis that will help my wellness, that will keep me healthy? What can I use? Well, we got to get back to the basics. Back in the day, the doctor, whenever you would go to a doctor, they would look at your eyes, they would look at your tongue, they will look at your face, they will look at your skin, and then they will be able to tell you what was going on with your body. So you need to take a look at your eyes. Is the white of your eyes white? If not, you might want to do some exploring on this. It could be that you need to do some physical, emotional, mental detoxifying of your body. You need to get neutral to the feelings, emotions, and judgments that are at the root cause of this. Because everything in the body is due to a feeling, emotion, or judgment. And then it shows up in the physical. Another thing is we need to check on the state of your tongue. Is it light pink? Does it have a coating? If so, what color? Are there any bumps on it? Are there the edges smooth, or does it have the marks of your teeth? Is it wavy? Is it scalloped? The other thing is the coating on the tongue, depending on the color, could be candida, yeast, or other. And of course, your digestive system needs care, as well as the removal of trapped emotions, feelings, and judgments. You might also need to check and see if you are doing okay with vitamins and minerals. Also, check the state of your skin. Is it dry? Is it oily? Is it dehydrated? Do you have rashes? Do you have sores that don't heal? Each of these need to be addressed for the physical body, as well as neutralization of the trapped emotions, feelings, and judgments to get to the root cause of what is going on. If you have sores that do not heal, perhaps you need to check and you need to track your blood sugar. See? Additionally, you need to pay attention to your bowel movements. This is one way your body detoxes naturally. But if you do not have a bowel movement on average daily, although the books and the experts say you should have it a couple of hours after you eat, your digestion system might be having problems. Then we need to explore your diet. We need to explore perhaps your body is not performing to the best it can because you're eating too much raw food. Some people's body can handle raw food. Other people's body cannot. And then if your body cannot, it starts getting sluggish. And then it will show in your bowel movement. And why is the body getting sluggish? Well, one thing is the raw food. The other thing is also how much exercise are you getting? And when I say exercise, I don't mean the P90X type of exercise, the real hardcore exercise. It could just be taking a walk after you eat lunch, after you have dinner, taking a walk so that your digestion works, or doing some Tai Chi, especially for digestion. So all of this, you need to start. This is something that you do as you brush your teeth, something that you do as you take a shower, something that you do as on your daily basis. And if you start seeing that it starts getting a little bit, might want to start exploring as to what's going on. And I'm not saying going to medical research and get everything out of context and worry about your health all the time. No, but this is something that you should be proactive. and know your body functions. Oh, this has changed. Why did it change? Be a little bit inquisitive as to your body and what is the normal, because normal for some people might not be the normal for you. What is the normal for you? What is it? And are you feeling tired because of this? And since when did it happen? So stuff like that. And with that, have a great day. Bye-bye.